Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello again mga friendships. Welcome back to my channel again. It's nice seeing you all once again, guys. And today, ita-try out natin ang isang it's skincare, Japanese skincare that I tried like for the past months, and ngayon it's gonna be the right time na to talk about it. Yeah, I feel like kasi medyo marami na sila, and this is overdue, long overdue na talaga, because before 2019 I already finished reviewing this one or trying out this one, but life is so busy kasi kaya hindi ako nakapag-review. So ngayon ipupush na natin. So the one I've been talking about is this one from Kose. Yan, zoom out natin. So this is from Kose Cosmeport. Yung white, moisture mild white na lotion nila, face lotion. If you may be wondering, face lotion, kasi dito sa Japan, guys, FYI lang, yung toner ang tawag nila is lotion. So ayan, eto siya, eto yung itsura ng packaging niya. And this one is a refill one. Meron talaga siyang lalagyan na yung parang plastic type na lalagyan, but I chose not to get that one because hindi ko kasi sure na magugustuhan ko siya. Baka I feel like sayang lang din kasi malaki yung price difference nila pag binili mo yung may lalagyan. So I just decided to use kasi may mga containers pa ako from Daiso. So yun na lang yung nilagyan ko nito, and yeah, I'm so excited to share to you what is my experience on this one. Oh, I forgot, before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you ring or hit that notification bell so that you will be not missing out any of my videos. Ito na talaga, we will be getting started. So like with my other videos, especially yung mga review videos like skincare review videos, I always wanted to make a disclaimer. So what worked for you may not work for me. What worked for me may not work for you, vice versa. So let's just put it out there kasi baka may keyboard warrior dyan telling na yung mga iba-iba. Basta yun. Basta let's just do a disclaimer. So yun nga, nung bumalik kami dito sa Japan, I found that my skin looks really different. Kasi 'di ba, like I mentioned always in my videos, guys, yung number one or yung current skincare routine ko is yung yung Belo na toner, yung transamic acid ng Belo, yun yung favorite one ko. And then yung Olay na pinkish white fairness, yun talaga yung ride or die na skincare na ginagamit ko doon sa Pilipinas. But however, nung bumalik kami dito sa Japan, the weather is really very different. It was summertime. Summertime, July, August, mga ganyan, patapos ng July. And as the days goes by, kasi ang init, iba talaga yung init dito sa Japan, guys. It was like 35 degrees, but iba yung init niya compared sa Pilipinas kasi yung summer nila is super dry. But doon sa Pilipinas, lang. Sa atin naman, medyo humid, kaya at least may mga moisture pang nare-receive yung skin ko. But when we came back here, I've noticed na my skin looks so dull and weird and dry. I don't know what is happening, but it's really looking dull and not plump at all. So I was wondering bakit ibang ginawa ko, na yung ginagamit ko naman is the same thing or the same skincare that I've used sa Pilipinas. So yun, yung ate nyo decided to go to the drugstore and look for something that would remedy die freaking fries. So yun nga, I saw this one from Kose Cosmic Comfort, yung wild wild yung mild na white toner, white toner nila or lotion. And then at first I was really having a hard time picking kasi ang daming skincare line dito, guys. Grabe, as in masisira yung ulo nyo talaga sa kakapili kung saan ba yung magiging hiyang sa inyo. So, I pulled the trigger and I purchased this one kasi this one looks promising. I haven't tried something from Kose before. I usually, na-try ko ba? I think I tried their foundation and I really like that one. Tsaka yung powder nila, but with their skincare line, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, I pulled the trigger and bought this one. So, this one pala has 2 variation. Yung fresh tsaka moist. Ang ibig sabihin ng fresh is yung hindi siya sticky, hindi siya malapot, yung parang water-like consistency. But yung moist naman is yung milk type, yung white color yung liquid niya. So, mas sticky yon, mas moisturizing, and yeah, that one is good for yung mga dry skin. But since, if you don't know yet, I have a very problematic skin, highly congested skin, na nagkaka whiteheads, blackheads, and then I get pimples or acne and hives easily. So, ayan, problematic. And I also have a very, very oily skin. So, that's why I opted for this one, yung fresh na type. Meaning, for this one is for oily skin pala. So, if you are oily skin like me, yeah, eto yung sa inyo, yung fresh one. Let's talk about how much is this one. Yung talaga, yung may container talaga, it's around 1,080 yen. But this one is only 780 yen or 60. I forgot, but I'm gonna check again the actual price on this one. So, malaki talaga yung difference nila. Kaya I picked on this one kasi yun nga, I'm not sure kung mag-work ba siya sa akin. So, ayun. So, now let's put this one into the test. I will be inserting some clips on before I've used this one, my face. I'm gonna show you a clip of my face, of how my face looks like or my skin looks like before I was using this, and then the first week, the second week, third week, and fourth week of using this one. So, umabot tayo ng 4th week or a month, hindi ko lang sure, but I will be inserting that one. So, here it is. So, hello mga friendships. So, today is going to be the first day that I will be testing this one from Kose. This is how my face looks like before I'm using this. So, I don't know if you can see up close. Ayan, yung aking face. My pores are so visible. Ayan. Napansin ko that my face, especially, oh my god, do I have a booger? Especially on this area here, that medyo malaki yung aking pores. I don't know if you can see clearly. If you move here, ayan. I don't know if you can see clearly yung pores natin. So, my skin looks dull also. Ayan. So, I'm gonna see you in the next clip. Friends, good morning. So today, I'm going to update you on this one from Kose Comfort, their Moisture Mild White na lotion. So right now, as you can see, NEQILLA lang ako, and then I did powder on my face. I did not apply any foundation. So tapos, ito is yung tint lang. Pero, I've noticed for 1 week of use, parang my skin looks very plump and healthy already. If I'm going to compare this before that I used this one from Kose, parang yung skin ko is so dry looking, and it was so weird. And as you can see, my pores, I don't know if you can see, but my pores was improved. Masyado bang maliwanag, guys? It's, kasi masyado maliwanag, ayan, para makita niyo. But as you can see, I think my pores has shrink a little. I don't know, I feel weird about it. Pero, ayan yung hindi na siya masyadong kitang-kita. Kasi I feel like nung pagkadating namin dito sa Japan, parang, nag-iba din yung skin ko, no? Kasi masyadong mainit. But now, ayan. Although, meron pa namang mga pores dyan, but, for me, I don't know if you can see it, but for me, parang, nag-lessen. Ayan. And, my skin, for me, looks plumper. Ayan. Yeah, masyadong maliwanag. Biglang lumbuanan. Yeah, I don't know. But for me lang ha, my skin looks really plumper and brighter compared doon sa before ko siya ginamit. And then, I also have a friend here. Pero andito pa rin yung mga pimple marks ko, but these are not active breakouts. Red lang sila. So, ayan yung 1 week update natin. So far, so good. Let's do a quick update on the Kose White Lotion or toner, whatever you call it. So this is the second week. I don't know if you can tell, but my face has become brighter and I don't have much darkness here in my under eye, and yeah, my face looks pretty awesome, guys. It looks, if I'm going to compare this from hindi ko pa siya ginamit, definitely my suppleness na sa aking skin. With this one, it has really improved. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it, but my skin looks brighter. Ayan. Tapos parang supple na siya compared to before. So this is the second week update. So finally, we are here on the 4th week, or our final update, and as you can see here that I look so happy. It's because my skin has really improved. I don't know if you have noticed, but it has improved a lot. It looks more plumpier, brighter, although I still have some breakouts here and there yung sa aking yan, mouth area. Pero, it's the time of the month, kaya lumalabas talaga sila. But overall, I did not have any whiteheads, blackheads, or whatnot, clogged pores. Basta yung usual lang na breakouts. I'm so happy. So, hello mga friendships. We are back after 4 weeks of trying this one. And yeah, as you have seen from the clips, my skin has really improved a lot. If I'm going to compare it from the first day, medyo medyo malaki talaga yung difference from my face. I feel like my face doesn't look dull anymore, and it gave my face yung plumpiness na nawala when I was there sa Pilipinas pa, kasi it's humid here, there sa Pinas. Tapos dito naman, it is so dry, parang oven talaga. So this really made my face hydrated and moisturized. Thumbs up talaga. So ayun. And as far as the whitening, kasi meron siyang vitamin C. Oh my god, Rookie is here. Yeah, I know. Ito talaga, laging interruption. I'm talking, mawawala na naman ako sa aking So yun nga, let's do yung rundown pala, kasi nakalimutan kong sabihin kung ano ba yung kiniklaim dito. Yung konti lang guys ha, kasi I cannot read kanji. So yung mga small something lang na that I understand from this. So this one pala is a 160 ml make 160 ml content pala for 780 yen. Tapos this says na meron siyang hyaluronic acid, tapos collagen, and with vitamin C. So right now, trending yung vitamin C tsaka collagen, or not even right now, way back pa talaga, Japanese are very into vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, tapos collagen, because they want to have brighter skin, diba? As you can see, gusto nila yung malaglas skin like the Koreans, ganun na talaga. So, yun, most of the products that are available here have vitamin C. Yun nga, tapos may mga ganito pa sa likod, but I cannot read it. So, yeah, so yun lang naman. It has vitamin C, it has hyaluronic acid and collagen, and it lessens dito melanin, nakaka-lessen ng melanin formation sa skin, tapos yung shimi-shimi yung mga dark spots that the sun has created sa skin nyo. And then what else? So yun nga, I got the fresh one kasi I have an oily skin. And then what else? I think yun lang. So let's go back again from basing from the clips that you have seen. I really end up loving this one. I end up really liking this one because it made my skin supple looking, hydrated, and also it made my skin looking clear, hindi dull. Yeah, I was surprised kasi yun nga, hindi ko kasi sure na mag-work siya sa akin, 'di ba? If you watch my previous videos, I always mention na hindi ako masyadong hiyang sa mga Japanese skincare. It's because I will get congested skin. Oh, yun pala guys. I'm gonna mention that this one did not made my skin congested. I'm so happy with that. It's really a thumbs up for me. Finally, I found something dito na skincare na hindi nagka-clog ng aking pores. Ayan, so I'm so happy because I did not see any congestion at all. Whiteheads, blackheads, ayan, wala. So happy that I found this one. It's really affordable. It belongs to the affordable side of the drugstore. This is only 780 yen. So very, very affordable. And it would last you a really long time. Guys, depende sa paggamit nyo. So, when I use this one, I just get yung pinakamanipis na cotton squares, or sometimes I use my hands, my palm. I poured it sa palm ng hands ko, then I just slap it on my face. But there are times na I don't want to do that. I just use my cotton square to apply it. And konti lang, tapos dab lang, and you feel very refreshed, very moisturized, very hydrated. Ayan, and yeah, so happy that this did not make my skin congested and no breakouts while using this one. And it also helps lighten my scars. Yeah, it really did help. If you are going to continue using this, I think magli-lessen talaga yung mga scars or spots nyo. Kasi sa akin, I only use this for like 2 months, I guess. Kasi as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys, I finished 2 of this because I love it so much. Yeah, nahiyang talaga ako sa kanya, and yeah, it was surprising for me, but I'm so happy about it. So for my final verdict on the Kose Cosmic Cover Moisture Mild White Lotion or toner is that I highly recommend it to all of you guys. If you are here in Japan, if you are going to visit Japan, and if you wanted to buy something skincare wise dito sa Japan, I highly recommend getting this one from Kose Cosmic Comfort. I am thrilled to try their moisture cream, their cream. Kasi parang meron kasi silang tester doon sa drugstore, and medyo hindi naman siya rich, but I haven't gotten my hands on that. For now, eto muna yung na-try ko, and I highly recommend you getting this one. Especially if you have, careful lang guys to check pala if you have oily skin, you better check this one. You need basta ganito, ganito siya, refresh. Yan, nakikita nyo ba? And then if you have more drier skin, you check the other. I'm gonna search for a picture para sa moist for dry skin na type on this one. So highly recommend it, and I'm so happy that I found this. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo watching, and yeah, if you're looking or wanted to try something skincare wise dito sa Japan, definitely get this one from Kose. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I'm so happy to share this to all of you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, always mga friendships, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace, yo.